Hey everybody, welcome to Taking Trades. If we haven't met, my name is Jimmy and this is my channel where we talk everything day trading, so thanks for stopping by. So today I want to dive a little bit deeper into what we talked about yesterday, which was trading plans. Today I took a trade on a stock and I had a situation come up where my position size was smaller than normal and it sort of created some ambiguity in my trading plan. So if you stick around for the rest of the video, I want to jump into that stock, break it down for you, show you the issue that came up, and then talk about how to avoid it, as well as the importance of how to stay very rigid in your trades. Let's jump into it. Okay, here's the chart. So I've got the 3-minute chart up on Roku, and you can see my position here. And so this morning what I was watching was I had determined based off the 15-minute chart that Roku was a sell. I was looking to go short on it today. And when Roku opened up this morning, it pushed up really hard. And I have a few other things I've been looking at here. I have the Bollinger Bands on, so sorry about that. But it broke up here, and then it pushed down and retraced about 50% of this move. So 100% move up, 50% pullback. Then this one pushed up and we got a complete 110, 120% pullback. So a complete failure of this push up. And so after this pushed up, we got this big failure. Then this final attempt by the buyers to come back in, I went ahead and said, I'm gonna go short on this. And as you can see, after this attempt to push up and this failure, I decided to go short at the break of this low. So when that broke down at 60.68, I went ahead and went short. 200 shares, small position size, mainly because I was stopping the trade, up here. So I didn't want, I had a sort of a big stop loss, so I went smaller position size. And it pushed down and I got my 1-to-1 and even more than my 1-to-1. So I immediately covered my 200 shares at 60.33, and I did that because I thought, well, what's the sense in splitting 200 shares? 100 shares moving on is a really, really small size. So I thought, I won't do that, I'll just take my entire size. So in a way, I just deviated from my trading plan, which I'm trying to be rigid about being on all the time and not straying from it. But if you look at this, if I'm stopped up here and this bounced back, if I'd left 100 shares on and had it roll over, those 100 shares would have continued to trickle down for the rest of the day. I could have sold those last 100 shares down here in 59.25, which is over another dollar move. So it would have been over $100 more that I would have been able to add to my position. So really interesting thought process today. And this was just one that kind of crept up out of nowhere. I really wasn't expecting it. I thought I was on my trading plan, and all of a sudden I thought, I just introduced some new logic to my trading plan that's going to change one of the variables, which will make my overall statistics and my measurability different. I'm kind of altering things as I go rather than staying rigid. So I just wanted to show this to you guys and get your thoughts on it. If you have any input, I'd love to hear it. I'm still trying to build my trading plan and really still trying to be very rigid with it. So I'm starting to write things down and put down some good rules. But this was a good learning experience for me. It just, I could have left it and let it go. So I feel kind of weird about it. So leave comments, questions below. I'd like to hear how you guys did today. Hope it was a green day for you, and I'll be back at this tomorrow, so I'll see you then. Thanks for stopping by. And if you like the channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks.